My friends, let me ask you something powerful today. Who told you it's too late to get stronger? Who told you that once you hit 70, 75, or 80, your body can't rebuild, can't grow, can't come alive again? I want you to pause and think about that, because that belief that it's too late has stopped more people from healing than any disease ever has. You see, the human body is not designed to give up. It's designed to adapt. Every cell inside of you right now, at this very moment, is listening to what you feed it, how you move it, and what you believe about it. And here's the truth I want you to remember today. You can build muscle and strength at any age, even after 70, if you give your body the right tools. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Dr. Mandell, I'm too old, my knees hurt, my back aches, my energy isn't what it used to be. But let me remind you of something beautiful. Pain is not a stop sign. It's a signal. It's your body saying, help me, feed me, move me again. Our muscles are like the engine of a car. When you stop driving that car, the engine begins to rust. But when you turn it on regularly, keep it fueled and give it maintenance, that car runs beautifully. Even if it's 40 years old, your body works the same way. The moment you start moving again, even slowly, your muscles begin to wake up. The moment you start feeding it real, living nutrients, especially the right kind of protein, your cells begin to repair. And here's where it gets exciting. Science now shows that there's a plant-based seed protein that helps rebuild muscle even more effectively than eggs. Yes, you heard me right, better than eggs. It's called hemp seed protein, and it's one of nature's most complete sources of amino acids, the building blocks of muscle. It's gentle on your digestion, supports your heart, boosts your energy, and helps you recover faster without cholesterol or heaviness. But before we even talk about food, I want you to understand something far more powerful. Your belief is the first nutrient your body needs. If you believe you can grow stronger, your body will follow. If you believe your best days are behind you, your body will obey that too. So today, I want you to make a promise, not to me, but to yourself. Promise that you will not let age define your strength. Promise that you'll take one step every day toward better health, one movement, one meal, one positive thought at a time. Because the truth is this, you don't stop building muscle because you get old. You get old because you stop building muscle. And today, that stops. Today, we start feeding the body, mind, and spirit what it truly needs to grow stronger, healthier, and more alive than ever before. After age 70, muscle loss, what we call sarcopenia, can steal your strength, balance, and independence. Most people think it's just aging, but it's not. Your muscles are waiting for the right message from you through movement, mindset, and nutrition. The good news is, nature has given us a super seed that can help rebuild and protect your muscles naturally. Let's talk about something that affects every single one of us as we get older. Muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. This isn't just about losing strength or getting weaker. This is about losing our freedom, our mobility, and our independence. By the time most people reach the age of 70, they've already lost up to 30% of their muscle mass. That's huge. Think about it. Muscles are not just for lifting weights or looking fit. Your muscles are your engine. They help you stand tall, walk with confidence, climb stairs, carry groceries, and even support your posture so you can breathe better and keep your heart strong. But as we age, several changes begin to happen inside the body. Our hormone levels drop, particularly testosterone and growth hormone, both vital for building and maintaining muscle tissue. At the same time, our activity levels decrease. Many people stop moving as much because of pain, fatigue, or fear of injury. And when the muscles aren't used regularly, the body starts breaking them down for energy. This process can happen silently, little by little, until one day you notice it's harder to get up from a chair, lift something overhead, or even maintain balance while walking. This muscle loss doesn't just weaken your body, it affects your brain too. Studies show that lower muscle mass is linked to slower cognitive function and a higher risk of falls and fractures. Why? Because the brain and muscles communicate constantly. When your muscles shrink, that connection weakens and coordination suffers. The truth is, muscle loss with age isn't just normal aging. It's a warning sign. It's your body telling you, feed me better, move me more, challenge me again. The great news, it's reversible. Your muscles are waiting for your attention, ready to rebuild and respond at any age, but only if you give them the right signals. When we talk about building muscle, especially after 70, there's one key ingredient that often gets overlooked. Protein. Most people think they're getting enough, but the truth is they're not even close. Protein is the foundation of life. Every cell in your body, your muscles, your bones, your skin, even your brain depends on it. Without enough quality protein, your body simply cannot repair or rebuild itself. Think of protein as the construction material your body uses to rebuild your home, your muscles. Without enough materials, you can't fix the walls, the roof, or the foundation. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein. This means even if you eat the same amount you did in your 40s or 50s, your muscles may not absorb and use it as effectively. That's why older adults need more protein, not less. Unfortunately, most seniors cut back, often eating lighter meals, skipping breakfast, or relying on foods that are high in carbs but low in protein. And that's where the trouble begins. When your body doesn't get enough protein, it starts breaking down muscle tissue to get the amino acids it needs for survival. Over time, this creates a vicious cycle. Less muscle leads to less strength, less movement, slower metabolism, and eventually more fat and weakness. Now, many people turn to eggs as their go-to protein source, and eggs are excellent. But here's the problem. Not everyone's body tolerates them well. Some people struggle with cholesterol, others experience digestive issues or food sensitivities. And when that happens, they start avoiding high-quality proteins altogether, not realizing they're depriving their muscles of what they truly need. That's why seed-based proteins, especially hemp protein, are such a game changer. Hemp seeds provide a complete source of protein with all 9 essential amino acids, plus omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and improve muscle recovery. Unlike animal proteins, hemp protein is easier to digest and gentler on the stomach. It doesn't cause bloating or heaviness, and it delivers the nutrients your muscles crave without the extra cholesterol or saturated fat. What's even more fascinating is how hemp protein supports your entire system. It balances blood sugar, keeps your gut healthy with natural fiber, and provides magnesium and iron to enhance muscle oxygenation and energy. That means more endurance, better recovery, and greater overall strength naturally. So if you're over 70 and struggling with weakness, fatigue, or slow recovery, it's time to take a good look at your protein intake. Start by adding small amounts of plant-based protein like hemp, chia, or pumpkin seed into your daily meals. Blend it into your smoothie, mix it into oatmeal, or sprinkle it over salads. When it comes to rebuilding muscle and staying strong after 70, we need to look toward nature's wisdom. There's one seed that's changing how we think about protein. It's called hemp, and it's one of the most powerful, complete, and natural proteins on the planet. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Hemp? Isn't that related to marijuana? Don't worry. Hemp seeds come from a completely different plant variety. They contain no psychoactive compounds, just pure nutrition that your body and brain absolutely love. Hemp protein is often called the perfect plant protein. And for good reason. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and growth. The same way animal proteins like eggs or meat do. But here's the difference. Hemp protein is cleaner, easier to digest, and packed with extra nutrients that eggs simply can't provide. One of the biggest advantages of hemp protein is its digestibility. As we get older, our digestive system slows down, and heavy animal proteins can sometimes cause discomfort, bloating, or poor absorption. Hemp protein, on the other hand, is naturally rich in edesin and albumin, 2 highly digestible proteins that your body absorbs quickly and efficiently. That means your muscles get the amino acids they need without stressing your digestion. Hemp seeds also bring something very special to the table. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in the perfect balance. These healthy fats reduce inflammation in the muscles and joints, improve circulation, and support brain and heart function. Think of them as the oil that keeps your body's engine running smoothly. After 70, reducing inflammation and improving recovery is key. And hemp protein helps you do just that naturally. And here's something even more amazing. Hemp seeds are loaded with magnesium, iron, and zinc, 3 essential minerals for energy, oxygen transport, and muscle contraction. Without enough of these nutrients, your muscles tire easily, your balance weakens, and your strength declines. But when you nourish your cells with these minerals, you feel more alive, alert, and steady on your feet. Compare. Egg protein gives you amino acids, but it also contains cholesterol and no fiber. Hemp protein gives you amino acids plus fiber, healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidants, all in one natural source. This is why many nutrition experts today are calling hemp protein the muscle seed, because it doesn't just build muscle, it builds health from the inside out. So how can you start using it? It's simple. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of hemp protein powder to your morning smoothie. Mix it into oatmeal, soups, or even yogurt. Its mild, nutty flavor blends beautifully with almost anything. Your body will feel the difference. You'll notice less stiffness, more energy, better digestion, and stronger muscles over time. Let's get practical. Knowledge means nothing if we don't put it into action. The beautiful thing is, you don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership to start rebuilding muscle and strength, especially after 70. All you need are simple, consistent habits that nourish your body and keep you moving every single day. Let's walk through it together. First, start your morning right. When you wake up, your body is slightly dehydrated and your muscles are hungry for nutrients. Before you reach for coffee, drink a large glass of water with a pinch of Himalayan or sea salt to restore your minerals and wake up your circulation. Then, within an hour, feed your body high-quality seed protein. A smoothie is one of the easiest ways to do this. Try this. Blend together 2 to 3 tablespoons of hemp seed protein, half a banana, a handful of spinach, almond milk, and a teaspoon of olive oil or chia seeds. This combination gives you complete protein, good fats, fiber, and natural energy, everything your muscles and brain need to start the day strong. Second, move your body. Movement is medicine. You don't need to lift heavy weights, just use your body. Simple exercises like standing squats, wall push-ups, light resistance bands, or chair stands can wake up your muscle fibers and stimulate protein synthesis. Start with 10 minutes a day. If that feels good, increase to 15 or 20. The goal is consistency, not exhaustion. Remember, motion is lotion for your joints and muscles. Third, balance your meals. At every meal, include some form of protein, healthy fat, and colorful vegetables. That balance stabilizes blood sugar and prevents the afternoon energy crash. For example, lunch could be a bowl of mixed greens, beans, or lentils, olive oil, and sprinkled hemp seeds. Dinner might be a vegetable soup with quinoa or a small portion of fish with steamed veggies. Keep it simple, natural, and colorful. That's what your cells love most. Fourth, stretch and breathe. Tight muscles and shallow breathing lead to poor circulation and slow recovery. Spend a few minutes daily stretching your legs, shoulders, and back. Deep breathing through your nose calms the nervous system and improves oxygen delivery to your muscles. Remember, a calm body heals faster. Fifth, rest and recover. Muscle growth doesn't happen during exercise. It happens during recovery. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Magnesium before bed or a warm shower can relax your muscles and improve deep sleep. If there's one secret that determines whether you'll succeed or give up on your health goals, it's this: consistency beats intensity every single time. When we're younger, we often chase fast results. We push hard at the gym, start strict diets, and burn ourselves out. But after 70, the body needs a different approach, one built on gentleness, patience, and persistence. The key is not to do everything at once, it's to do something every day, because small, consistent actions compound into massive results over time. Think of it this way: your body is like a garden. You don't plant seeds today and expect flowers tomorrow. You water it daily, you give it sunlight, and you let nature do its work. Building muscle, strength, and vitality after 70 works the same way. Every healthy meal, every glass of water, every short walk, and every good night's sleep, they're all drops of nourishment that help your body bloom again. Too many people make the mistake of going all in for a week or two. They start exercising for an hour a day, cutting calories too much, and when they feel sore or tired, they stop altogether. That's what I call the roller coaster approach. It doesn't work, not at 30 and certainly not at 70. What works is the steady climb, slow, sure, and sustainable. Here's something powerful to remember. Your body thrives on routine. The muscles, joints, and even the brain love predictability. When you move daily, even for just 10 minutes, you're teaching your body to adapt, rebuild, and grow stronger. When you eat nourishing foods at consistent times, your metabolism stabilizes. When you sleep and wake up on schedule, your hormones rebalance naturally. Let's make this practical. Instead of saying, I'll exercise for an hour, say, I'll walk for 10 minutes every morning. Instead of changing your whole diet, say, I'll add hemp seed protein to one meal each day. Instead of focusing on perfection, focus on progress, because when you take small daily steps, the mind stays calm and the body stays motivated. And here's something amazing. Consistency doesn't just build your muscles. It builds your confidence. Every time you show up for yourself, you're proving that your age doesn't define you. Your habits do. You're reminding your mind that you're in control. So my friends, be patient with yourself. You're not competing with anyone. You're simply becoming a stronger, healthier, more vibrant version of you. The person who shows up every day, even when it's hard, will always win in the long run. After everything we've talked about, the importance of muscle, the power of protein, and the need for daily habits, I want to leave you with something from the heart. You are not too old. You are not too late. You're right on time every single day you wake up. You're given another chance to heal, to grow, to rebuild your strength, and to prove to yourself that your best years are still ahead of you. So many people reach their 70s and start believing the lie that their body is slowing down, that it's too hard to make changes, or that weakness and fatigue are just part of getting older. But I'm here to tell you that's not the truth. The body is a miraculous healing machine created with an incredible ability to adapt, repair, and regenerate, even in your 70 seconds, 80 seconds, and beyond. The difference lies in the messages you send to your body every single day. When you feed it processed foods, skip movement, and fill your mind with doubt, you're telling your body to slow down. But when you move with intention, eat nourishing foods like hemp seed protein, stay hydrated, and keep your spirit positive, you're sending a very different message. One that says, keep growing, keep rebuilding, keep living. You see, strength isn't just about muscle. It's about mindset. Your thoughts create your reality. If you wake up and say, I'm old, I can't do it, your body will agree. But if you say, I am strong, I am improving, I'm grateful for another day to move and grow, your body will respond in ways that will amaze you. And it doesn't matter how small your progress seems. Maybe today you just walked across the room without holding onto the chair. Maybe you stood up from the couch with a little more balance. Maybe you blended that first smoothie with hemp protein. These are victories, real victories, because every small act of self-care is a declaration that you're not giving up on yourself. Consistency builds strength. Faith builds healing. Hope builds energy. Combine them, and there's nothing you can't overcome. So, my friends, I want you to stand tall today. Straighten your back, take a deep breath, and remind yourself your body is listening. Talk to it with kindness. Move it with purpose. Nourish it with love. And above all, believe in its power to change. You are never too old to start, and you are never too weak to grow stronger. The seeds of strength, healing, and vitality are already within you. You just have to water them with faith and action. So, my friends, don't just add years to your life. Add life to your years. Start today. Move your body. Nourish it with powerful seed protein and remind yourself your best strength is still ahead of you. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell, and I'm here to remind you, keep your faith strong, your body moving, and your spirit unstoppable. God bless and stay healthy.